Hello, first grade. Can you believe we're at the end of first grade? You guys are second graders now. I am super excited for all of you. So, as we go into the summer, we have some exciting news that we want to share with you guys. So, during the summer, you guys are going to have your very own summer expedition. The summer expedition is when your brain really grows when you study a topic in depth. What does that word in depth mean? Studying something in depth means doing something fully or carefully, or with great attention to detail. That is why we have expeditions at our school. So this summer, we are challenging you guys to choose a topic and to study it in depth. We want you to become an expert on something that you're fascinated about or you're interested in. In this packet, you're going to find amazing tools that will guide you to be successful with when you're choosing your topic for expedition. And you're going to be able to use these tools, and these tools will guide you to make your own personal expedition. I am super excited, guys. So let's go through these tools. So, step one, brainstorm. Ta da! When you're brainstorming, you need to be thinking about what are you interested in studying? You also need to think about, what would you like to learn more of or about? In the spaces down here below, you can list some of the topics that you're interested in or you want to study in depth. In other words, that you want to study fully. Step number two, you're going to evaluate your options. Which topic, you're going to ask yourself these questions. What topic did you already know a lot about? Which topic can you easily find resources for? Which topic will be most exciting for you to study? Which topic would help you learn the most? As you're thinking about what fascinates you in all those topics that you have written down, you're going to put a star by the criteria above that is most important to you. What is something that you're really interested in studying that you don't really know much about? So using that information, you're going to decide on your own. So what would be the best topic for me to study? Consider all your pros and your cons when you're choosing your topic. In other words, think about all the positives and think about all the negatives of your topic. And as you're choosing your topic, I want you to also think about, what am I going to learn or what do I want someone to learn at the end? Step three. Oh, we're already on step three, guys. You're going to design your question for your study. During our expedition, we always had a guiding question. This time, you're going to make a guiding question for your own expedition. In other words, you're going to be thinking about what do you already know about your topic and what you would like to know. So you're going to do an I know and I wonder chart to help you design your own question to study. Your question, I want you to remember, your question should be very interesting to you and allow for a lot of learning. I want you to think about all the investigations that you may have to go through in order to learn more and more about your interesting topic. It should not be a yes or no question because we're not really learning anything if it's a yes or no question, but rather an open ended question. You can write your question right here on the line. Remember our spider expedition question? Oh, I bet you guys do. How can we change how people feel about spiders? It was an open ended question that guided a lot of learning. And step forward, we're going to research. Which specific areas will you need to research in order to be able to best answer your question? So you're going to list those possible areas of study right here below. Now we're getting to the investigating part. For example, for spiders, we learned about how spiders are portrayed in books, about spiders' autonomy, and then studied specific kind of spiders. We also learned about habitats and webs. What areas would you need to study to become an expert in your topic? I want you to think about that very carefully. What are some areas that you become an expert on that you need to study about your topic? Oh, consider the how. How you will study your topic. Possible ways to research include using printed materials, digital materials, the internet, experts, field studies, and by doing surveying or interviewing. And here's a chart below where you can give a brief description of your plan and think about the method you're going to use. And at the end, we're always taking notes. Note taking template. You can think about your source that you found your research on, and you can write down those important facts and those important things that you researched about your interesting topic right here in these boxes below. And think about questions this source may make you think of. So while you're researching these things or this specific topic, or this source has given you specific things about this topic, what are some of the things that it's allowing you to think about? And there are many templates here for you to do a lot of research on your interesting topic. So once you're finished taking your notes, using what you already learned about your topic, list all the expert vocabulary words you can think of about this topic below. So we have a lot of experience in vocabulary words, and we became experts in our spider expedition on our vocabulary words. Now it's time for you to think about what are all the vocabulary words that you can use based on your interesting topic. Now think about vocabulary words that fit into these categories. Can you think of any new words? And you're going to use the parts of speech just to help you with that, as far as nouns, adjectives, and verbs. You're going to list those down. For examples, we have web, we have hairy, and we have spin. Those were some example words that we had in our spider exposition. Then you're going to be able to create vocabulary cards like we had in our class. Each card should have one word, a definition on what you think that word means, and a drawing, just like this example here. And here are your example cards where you can write your word, the name of your word, the definition, and a picture. And then you can cut them out, just like we do in our classrooms. Here are all your cards here listed. And then there's always a challenge in expeditions. You can use the vocabulary words to create a vocabulary map with arrows. Cut out the arrows and think about which words are connected to one another. And make a map with those words. Then you're going to think about the expedition problem, and you're going to write a CXQ on it. What's your claim? What's your support? And what's the question or challenge to that? Now, step 5, how will you share your learning with others? Possible final project ideas include different types of art, songs, writing, books, videos, or performances, just like our showcase. How could you revise your final product to make it better? And after you're done your final product and you review all of the precautions and you looked at all the pros and cons of it, you can send your final product to Miss Jessica or Mr. T via email. We're super excited to see these expedition work, and I cannot wait to see all what you have learned over the summer. Have a beautiful summer, first graders. We love you, and we cannot wait to see what you guys have learned. Have a good one.